Peace, peace, peace. You see dead people. I see divergences. We are not the same. Confluence is king. Let's see if we can find it. Bitcoin, March 1st. 4 hour. We are in a possible falling channel. You know, it's getting respected for now. Plenty of heartline respect, which is good. How did you get it? Well, let's delete it and I'll show you. I took my parallel channel and I anchored it down here. With that one anchor point, and we're getting heartline respect. So we're still trapped between 65k and 69k, which is the old cycle, not cycle tops, but they are the tops from April 21 and November 21. It is what it is. Until we pick a direction, it is what it is. And I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see. It is Sunday. Sunday into Monday, you will see volatility typically. Asia's gonna be waking up soon. Futures open up soon. And that's it. I mean, we're waiting to see if this is gonna hold here. And if we lose it, expect the heart line. If we lose the heart line, I'd be watching 60, 59, 58, and then the bottom of the channel. One level at a time is all we can do for now. Rumors of war have now turned into war, so, I mean, I think the markets might start responding to that tonight. Sunday into Monday, expect volatility. Pretty simple. And that's all I have to say about that. Let's move on to Ether, bro. I plotted some possible hidden bullish divergence on the MACD, in which I just deleted. Give me 1 second. It'll be instantaneous for you. Then, just like that, we have our MACD back. It was possible hidden bullish divergence, and it could stay that way. That's the middle on the right. A low and a higher low on the price, and a low and a lower low on the MACD. But it's the 4 hour, and war is looming. War is actually happening, I guess, says the news propaganda outlets. And, you know, I would expect the bottom of the range, which is around 1700. It's kind of confluent with the heart line. You know, could go like that, and then maybe you'll have divergence again on the indicators. But, you know, there is no structure on this stuff as far as I'm concerned, as far as my analysis goes. We didn't have enough demand to get to the 4 hour 200. I mean, down. It feels like down makes sense. We're just making lower high after lower high on the 4 hour. It's a dead market. I mean, does the price even change anymore? It will tonight. Ether on the daily. Like I said in the last few videos, it's pretty much the same. You could probably trade this range here, 17 to 21, until it breaks and goes. You know, protect yourself above and below, long or short, whatever, nobody cares. ETHBTC, maybe we'll get some follow through here. That'd be kind of cool. But you do have a possible breakout and a retest. Let's see it on the 4 hour. You see that? We got a supply line, bam, 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 and we broke it, retested it. But this 200 moving average on the 4 hour is a little tough at the moment. Little prick. You had hidden bullish divergence, possible hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. but it didn't play out too well at the retest. But you know, clearly that it's a good spot to see divergence on a retest, because that's where you'd want to take your shot, put your stop loss below it, and that's it. Looks like it's going down now. Let's go to Bitcoin dominance. This 4-hour falling wedge is what I had plotted, and you know, 58.50 is a local level, obviously here, and you got some love there, so I'm gonna move it a little bit like so, make it a little thick, lock it. This is our local area that we're looking at. I don't want that on the hours, I want it on days and weeks, months. But it's a falling wedge, 68% chance of a breakout to the upside. We are getting clear resistance at, or a fight between the bulls and the bears at 58.50. So until it resolves, you know, it's not really much to do. A falling wedge, 68% chance of a break to the upside. You'd look for the retest, stop loss in the pattern. That's trading. I'm trying to find some confluence of whether we're going to go up or down. Here is the daily. 4 hours, 3.5 hours. This daily candle will close, and you know, the closer we get to about 6 o'clock, 4, 5, 6 o'clock, it's 3:57, 3:27 right now here locally, Massachusetts. We're going to start to see volatility, especially with the rumors of, or not the rumors, they're not rumors anymore. There is war. Markets typically respond down with war. If you want to buy the strike, go ahead. You know who you are. Anyway, I still believe this could be a bearish retest of a massive channel. Right? Boom. Top, bottom. Okay, top. We broke down. Maybe a possible retest, and we're waiting for that follow through. And if Bitcoin dominance starts to dump, the money's going to go somewhere. Question is, where is it going to go? Ethereum dominance looks like it's retesting, and it is retesting. You had a falling wedge, it broke out, and yeah, the retest can be way lower. It just happens like that. Once you start losing this level here, you know, you're going to have to expect to come down here. But, you know, one piece of data at a time. Maybe money will rotate into Ethereum. You have possible bullish divergence on the RSI on the daily. The daily, when you see divergence, it's usually a good thing, but you know, they can fail. Divergences fail, and when they fail or don't play out very well, the money will go elsewhere. Where would it go? Stablecoin dominance, maybe? I mean, I am watching this trend line, this white trend line, like a hawk, bro. Supply, demand, lost it, possible supply line, and it couldn't get that follow through. So what did it do? It broke above it and got a major move, and now we are consolidating above it again. Above this trend line, you have to expect more upside in stable coins. And if it breaks, we're probably going to 12.7%. It just is what it is. But it's making higher lows, which means more money is coming into stable coins every time it drops. Technical analysis, candlestick patterns and charting is the psychology of buyers against sellers, bulls against bears. Right now, people that are buying stable coins, and this could be any asset, who cares, but whoever's buying this asset is buying at a higher price every time. Eventually, I believe it will resolve to the upside. It's not certain, bro. Nothing is certain. So, here's the 4 hour. You know, here we had possible bearish divergence on the RSI, and it got some follow through right to where? To the trend line. Now we have a violation of it, a spring, a back test, a possible confirmation. I mean, if this thing breaks higher, expect another leg down in crypto. I don't know that it's going to happen, but with the war narrative, I think it's likely to happen. Let's see if the NASDAQ is rising. Futures open in a couple hours. Damn, I made that circle pretty big. Why did I make that circle? Well, the reason behind this is this whole structure here looks like this whole structure here, which looks like this whole structure here. And what happened? What was resistance becomes support. What was support becomes resistance. So, you have your resistance. It breaks it, support. Okay, well, when we really had a crash, where did it get bought up? Okay, let's keep going. Resistance, resistance. There's your spot. Now we break it. We have not retested it as support yet. And it looks just like this one, which looks just like this one. Fractals is what you would call them. They're not perfect, but they are very similar. I don't know that it's going to come down into this circle. It's just possible until confirmed. When the futures open in a couple hours, we'll know a little more how the markets are going to be responding to it. And, you know, that's all I have to say about that. Oh my God, nobody cares. Let's go to gold. It's on major breakout watch. Silver, major breakout watch. Palladium, major breakout watch. 4 hours, just beautiful. Double bottom on a dragon pattern with bullish divergence and then hidden bullish divergence after. I mean, this is possible bearish divergence if you take away this wick, depending on your sexuality and how you like to chart. I can remove wicks sometimes. I can go both ways, I guess you could say. Oh my God. Fuck that, I just like rounded bottoms. Oh my God. Is there anybody even listening? Who cares? Platinum futures are on major breakout watch. Copper is on major breakout watch. I mean, like, just look at how it's like rounding. I mean, you know, you could take your parabola and go from here to here and just, you can see the rounding action where it's respected. It's not about to go parabolic, but it looks like it could go parabolic very soon. We don't know what's going to happen. We can't act like we know what's going to happen. But it is what it is until it ain't. It is what it is till it ain't. Or isn't, or is-ain't, or however you want to say it. But anyway, I'm going to get out of here. The sun's out, and I need to go outside and enjoy my life for a little while. I love y'all motherfuckers. I hope you have the best day ever. I will hopefully be back around later on when the markets open. The future's open. I hope you have the most blessed afternoon ever. Don't forget there is war happening. So just love each other. Peace be with you. Peace, love, and llama. Biatch. Rise like the NASDAQ. 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 Killer aspects. Rise like the NASDAQ. Killer aspects. Rise like the NASDAQ. Rise like the NASDAQ. Rise like the NASDAQ. Killer aspects. Rise like the NASDAQ. Killer aspect. Rise like the NASDAQ. 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 Oh my God, I'm out of here. Peace, love, and llama. Rise like the NASDAQ.